Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a OnePlus Pad Go 2 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to find home screen, lock screen and style. So here we've got the Flux themes, thanks to which we can not only change the wallpaper but also the themes. They are combined, I would say, and probably I will choose something from this category later on, but I also wanted to show you how to do it with a solid wallpaper, so with the one that is pre-installed on this device. So let's tap on the wallpapers, and here we've got those which are pre-installed from which we can choose. So we've got plenty of beautiful options to choose from. At the bottom we've got the option interactive, which means that the wallpaper is animated. At the top you've got also your own album, so you can set your own photo as a wallpaper, of course, if you want to. And actually, if you wish to set the wallpaper which is chosen from this section, simply tap on it and then tap on apply to, and you will be able to decide whether you want to set it on the lock screen, home screen or both. But as I said, I'll choose something from the Flux themes, so let me tap on all Flux themes, and we've got plenty of different options from which we can choose. As you can see, they're really nice, really cute. So let me just choose something and I will come back in a second. Alright, so if you will decide that you want to set a specific theme and wallpaper, simply tap on it. So now, as you can see, we've got two different screens, I mean the preview of the home screen and the lock screen. So here, for example, you can customize it. You can go to style and you can either enlarge the wallpaper or blur it. So it's up to you whether you want to use that kind of style, that kind of option. Moreover, here we've got this depth option, and now it is it is turned off. So this person is hidden right behind the clock. However, if we will choose the depth, it will be moved forward, so the photo looks like it has layers, etc. So I think it's quite a nice option to use. All right. And the home screen, which we are more interested in. So here we can also change the style. However, here we've got only the blur effect without this, without the enlarging the wallpaper. However, we can do it manually. So if you wish, you can zoom it in or out and change the position. Of the wallpaper. So up to you, of course. Moreover, here we've got system colors, so if you wish you can change the colors. You can take the colors from the wallpaper, so those which are kind of pre-installed, let's say, or the custom option. And here you can also tap on wallpaper, and again you will be able to choose from different pre-installed wallpapers. However, here we've got an additional option which is called to use solid color. Let's tap on it, and as you can see now, you can either use gradient or solid one. You can choose the color what you like the most, and you can also change the intensity. So by going to the right, we can make it more pastel-like, and by going to the left, well, basically intense and then dark. So so here we've got an additional option to set the wallpaper. However, I prefer to have it matched with lock screen, so just let me tap on it. So if you wish to apply the wallpaper, simply tap on apply. And be patient, because as you can see, it might take a while. All right, and let's go back. As you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. All right, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.